Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis.
And I'm your co-host Hamza, and today we'll be talking about Coti and Orion Protocol. Okay, so Coti and Orion Protocol, they're both being integrated together in order to bring limitless liquidity to the Coti network. Coti will also enable greater accessibility on Orion Protocol, which is going to be used through Coti Pay that they've currently produced.
So Orion Protocol is also going to aggregate every liquidity of every crypto exchange into one decentralized platform, which is going to provide a universal gateway to the entire crypto market. So the Orion Liquidity Boost plugin will enable KOTI immediate access to any source of liquidity in the market from all centralized and decentralized exchanges, enabling virtually limitless liquidity and tight spreads on all currencies with the KOTI ecosystem. KOTI forms a critical part of the overall KOTI ecosystem, allowing KOTI to bootstrap and supply liquidity to both the KOTI network and external networks in a manner not previously possible. So Orion's going to play a big role in boosting the growth of the KOTI network. So as you can see, KOTI is a very small market cap, under $300 million. And the circulation supply is just under 700 million. So let's find a coin we can compare it to. So look at Algorand, the circulating supply right now is just under 2.6 billion. And the market cap is about 10x more, give or take, than KOTI. Whereas the total supply for KOTI is also 2 billion, that's why it's a good coin to compare it to. Algorand is the best coin we can compare it to, as there is a circulating supply of 2.6 billion. Since the market cap is so small of KOTI, it can easily do a 10x. If Algorand can reach $1.28 with a total supply of 4.8 billion, with the same circulating supply as KOTI has maximum supply, then imagine the potential for KOTI, especially with a $300 million market cap. Now look at the market cap of Orion Protocol. It is only $500,000, which is extremely cheap for the price of 26, about to break $27. So this means it has huge potential. It could easily 10x, 5 billion, 5.5 billion, even that. It can go bigger. So look at the total supply of Orion. It is only 100 million, which makes it very scarce. Also, all the coins have been released and only 20% of them are in circulation right now, with a $26, I can't get over that, with a $26 price for 20% of it being circulated. So if only 20% are in circulation right now, it's $26. Think about what it can be when more people start buying into it. It has huge potential, and the fact Coti and Orn are both working together is huge.
The most popular place to buy Coti would be on Binance. You can either buy it with BTC or USDT.
And if you want to learn how to use Binance, then we have a beginner's tutorial on Binance itself. So if you want to purchase KOTI, then I recommend you go watch that video.
The place where you can also buy Orion Protocol would be on Binance. You can either buy it with USDT or BTC. And also you can also buy it on KuCoin, however Binance would be the most recommended place to buy it at. KOTI brings an era of where everything is going to be digital. This has caused currency is going to remain outdated. Currently, it's very cheap to pay in cash than to use other banks such as PayPal, Alipay, and others. KOTI is the first enterprise-grade platform that empowers organizations to build their own payment solutions and digitalize any currency to save time and money. This is going to be used through KOTI Pay, something that they've been developing for a while now, and it is going to be in development and produced to the public real soon.
So the reason why KOTI is actually so useful is because blockchain isn't actually a solution yet, as the instability, complexity, and lack of scalability keeps it from the masses, the major population, the normal people that aren't involved in crypto. So there's a strong need for a robust payment system such as KOTI Pay that is as seamless and scalable as traditional payments, while being as cost effective and secure as a blockchain.
KOTI provides perfect payment infrastructure through these 7 necessary elements, such as scalability. KOTI can process over 100,000 TPS compared to 25,000 TPS in traditional payment systems, and up to 20 TPS in common blockchain protocols. The simplicity of KOTI is that it allows users and merchants facing tools that are seamless and extremely easy to use. It also allows you to have buyer and seller protection. So KOTI provides the first ever dispute resolution system to safeguard users against errors, fraud, and counterparty abuse. It also allows you to have cost effectiveness, which cuts out intermediaries and eliminates the need for costly mining. The next thing it allows you to have is price stability. KOTI is creating price stability technology, which is necessary for the mass adoption of blockchain for payment. KOTI also provides instantaneous payments. The last thing that KOTI does is that KOTI's distributed ledger technology eliminates a single point of failure for enhanced security.
So as you can see, they have loads of experience from here. So the CEO itself is a serial entrepreneur, so he has loads of companies. The CTO owns 14 patents. The co-founder is a former HSBC internal auditor, so he's a financial specialist. So as you can see, they have a good team with them. These are all very reputable companies that are investing in KOTI as well, so they're backed by very, very big companies. So the Orion Protocol is the first gateway to the entire crypto market, aggregating every CEX and DEX and the swap pool in one decentralized platform. So this is the only trading terminal you'll ever need. It has endless liquidity, it's one platform and there's zero risk, so they're very good security. The Orion Terminal seamlessly aggregates bottomless liquidity from all major exchanges, centralized and decentralized, providing rich trading tools in one easy to use platform. So this saves you from having to waste your time from switching to another exchange. Another thing it saves you from is it saves you from wasting so much money on fees. The terminal has the lowest fees by zero spread. Yeah, don't buy or sell anything unless you're getting the best price, which will be with terminal. You will not be able to get anything better unless you're with Orion Protocol.
Orion Protocol also doesn't compete with exchanges. Instead of competing with exchanges and swapping pools, they unite their order books into one easy to use terminal, giving you access to the entire crypto market in one place. So even though if you don't have an account, there's no problem with that. So you can trade across all major exchanges without the need to ever open an account again. Simply connect your wallet and execute your order without ever giving up your assets.
So no one has actually solved liquidity, custody, accessibility and scalability on one platform apart from Orion Protocol. So think about how big it's actually going to be. Once again, not financial advice, still do your own research, but think about how big it's going to be. They're the first people to do this. So look at all of their partners. They're partnered with Binance, Elrond, Avalanche, Holochain. Like these are all huge, huge companies. Of course you have KOTI down there as well. Orion and Certic have a partnership now which is going to help them with their security and integrating Orion into future decentralized platforms.
Founder of Orion Protocol is Alexei Koloskov, and he's the CEO of Orion Protocol. He's also spanning two worlds of traditional finance and DeFi. He started his journey in the crypto space in 2016 as chief architect and creator of Waves X, the most successful decentralized exchange to date.
Thank you for watching the Real Crypto Space. Just want to remind you that we have an Instagram and a TikTok now and a Twitter. They'll be in the pinned comments and the description, so please go and follow those. And please like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.